Hi folks, Clint from TOLSEN Tools South Africa here, coming to you live from a very sunny and beautiful Durban in KZN. Today we're going to be showing you how the TOLSEN Oscillating Sprinkler works. Alright, let's get him out of his box. That's the sprinkler. Okay, I'm going to hook it up to the hose pipe. It takes a standard 1/2-inch hose fitting. Nice and connected. Just pull that off, pop that back on, nice and connected. All right, as far as settings goes, guys, we've got, if you push these two adjusting levers together, you'll get a narrow setting, and we'll show you how the sprinkler actually sprays shortly. So that's your narrow setting. If you wanted the sprinkler to work towards the left, that's your left setting. If you wanted to go to the right, that's your right setting. And then if you wanted a full 180-degree spray, that's your 180-degree spray. Just to remind you guys, this oscillating sprinkler does come with an aluminium nozzle, aluminium tube, as well as copper nozzles, and then it's also got a built-in nozzle cleaner. If you ever need to clean some clogged nozzles, it's got the cleaner built into the sprinkler itself. Okay, what I'm going to do for the video is I'm going to set it onto the narrow setting, and I'm going to switch it on, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, I'm going to put it to the left. It's getting a little bit wet, but it's hot, so I don't mind too much. Okay, so that's on the left setting. Hopefully we don't wet our cameraman. That's the left setting. Oh, that water's nice and cool. And then the right setting would work the same way, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on full, and then you can see how it does the 180 spray. Here it comes. Okay. And that's the TOLSEN Oscillating Sprinkler, guys. Thanks for watching.